Are you ready? Well, we haven't did this for a while, so I say it's time to do it again. So let's do it! Welcome back, folks. Thank you for coming back. There's something flying around in here. I got a fan on over there. It's finally getting cool enough for me to put on some clothes. What am I talking about doing? I'm talking about, you didn't even see it, did you? Sitting right there in front of you, and you never seen this big giant box. Oh man, it's heavy too. An unboxing. It says, inspiring musicians. World something, I can't see it, man. Worldwide. Okay. Martin, it says. What do you reckon? Do you think it's a Martin? Could it really be a Martin guitar? I might as well go ahead and put these on because I'm going to need it. Wow. One of the advantages, if you can call it that, of getting old is going blind. So how are you all doing, man? How in the world are you? Hope everybody's doing good. Hadn't done an unboxing in a long time. Well, I have. I do several a week. And I video every one of them. Just, you know, in case anything would happen to go wrong. Video them every time. I just don't show them all on the channel here. And somebody asked me if I have to do another unboxing. Do more unboxing. I said, okay. A little bit past due, really. Yeah, I need this again. Wow, this thing's taped up to stay, man, looks like. Did a good tape job on it. It says Martin on the box. Do you think that's really what it is? Could it be something besides that? This is my favorite part right here. It's digging it out. Sorry about that, folks. Yeah, it's packed well, man. And I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm the one that docks anyone that does not want doxed. Let me see if I can come over there closer to you. Wow, that's heavy. That is one heavy guitar. I'll put this thing away before I hurt myself. Heavy beast of a guitar, it feels like. Alright, let me get rid of this box. Well, I gotta get rid of the box, pick all this packing up, and I'm not going to open this. We're going to look at it together. And I'll bring you over here closer, set the camera up for that. Man, that thing's heavy. And we'll do it! Hold on. I do this to every guitar that is mailed to me. Like I say, I don't always show it on YouTube. Just, you know, keep it. A copy of it for my own use, I guess. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. This is a love letter. I don't think I have any loose braces. This is just things we talked about to do to this guitar. Alright, what is it, man? Get it out. Show us what it is. Well, there you go. You can't see the headstock, can you? Alright, well, let me get it out and I'll show it to you. Oh, it's got one of these in there to keep the box moist. Alright, let me get him up out of here and I'll show him to you. And there you have the peg head. And a look at the guitar. Anybody know what it is yet? Pickguard probably is a dead giveaway. A hummingbird, Gibson hummingbird, and a very dang nice one at that. Very beautiful guitar. Wow, check that out, man. Let me get rid of this, and then we're going to check the guitar out and make sure it made the trip okay. The box looked good. The box looked like it made it okay, and the case looks good. Everything looks good so far. We're going to check this guitar out tonight, make sure it made the trip, and we'll talk about what's to be done to it. Here's you a better shot of the guitar. Gibson. It's a good looking guitar, man. Very nice. I seen a big chunk in the finish right there. I see a reflection there. The chunk is right there. If I get the reflection out of it, The chunk is right at the tip of my thumbnail there. See that? Yeah. Took a hit there, but other than that, man, it looks good. Frets look really good. No cowboy cords. I mean, well, there's a little bit of wear there. Notice the second fret. See it? But it ain't very bad, man. Not bad at all. I did notice this saddle is very low, man. Check that out. There's not very much room there where the strings come over the saddle. You couldn't lower the saddle anymore. I wonder if the neck angle is right on this. That is a mighty low saddle. If I can turn it over here with one hand, we'll have a look at the back side. There's the keys. Serial number. I can't see it, man. Not with this camera. Maybe you guys can. I doubt it. I think that was just where it laid in the case. Looks like oil or something. Fingerprints, maybe. I see the seam down through there. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. This thing's so shiny, man. It's black and so shiny it's hard to look at. It's hard to see it. You can't see it. Yeah, man. Good looking guitar. I don't see anything wrong with that guitar, but it's obviously got something wrong with it. It's here. And I'm going to tell you about it right now. Because of that saddle being so low, I just want to check this real quick and see where we are. Okay, it's good. See, the thing goes right over the bridge. It's just barely skimming the bridge, if at any at all. Check that out, man. That's perfect. Check your neck angle like this. Well, the neck should be straight. I don't know if it is or not. I never looked at it yet. But it should be straight, and you should be able to run a straight edge right down over the bridge and up to the saddle, not over the saddle. And that's perfect. That's got the perfect angle neck on it. Of course, I have to make sure the neck's straight. I'll just look at that right now. Yeah, it looks like it is straight. I see a wee little bit of a ski jump right here coming off the from the body here down the fretboard extension. I can see a ski jump there looking down over it. Pretty good one at that. In fact, I'll get the camera and try to show that to you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that ski jump down at the end of the fretboard or not. Maybe. Yeah, I think I can see it in the camera a little bit. It jumps up there pretty good. Right to fretboard extension. One thing the owner was wanting done to the guitar was, I think I told, maybe I said it already, it's a new pick guard. If you look at this one's on there okay, but all the inlay and everything, most of it's wore out. You can see a little bit of it up here still yet, and a little bit here. The rest of it's pretty much wore away. So he's wanting me to put a new pick guard on it. That's one thing. And it says here, we talked about doing a complete setup on it. I don't think we'll have to do anything to the frets. Unless, yeah, I'll check them all, but you know, unless there's a high one or something, I don't think we have to do to set it up. A setup. He wants me to make a, did it say bone? Make a saddle for it. I don't see it right here right now. I can't remember if he said bone or tusk. Wow, I'm not seeing it, man. I'll just read the letter to you. Hey, ready? I thought I would let you order a pick guard. I'm sure you have a better idea about matching it up to the original one. Please check the saddle. I think I need a new bone. Okay, bone, please. You might want a tusk one instead of bone, but I'll leave that up to the owner. I don't think I have any loose braces. Please check. We'll do that. I'm not sure about bridge pins. Whatever you think is fine. I'll just glance at them, and they seem to be okay at a glance, but I'll check them better than that. Also thought while you're into it that much that you should add a plate mate. You can do that. I probably got one here that fits it. Go ahead and do the whole setup we talked about. I use medium strings. Please put on whatever you think is best. I would like to see you working on my guitar on YouTube video if that is possible. That is very possible. We can make that happen. In fact, we're going to make all this stuff happen. I don't want to read any personal stuff here off. I want you to have full reign to do whatever you would do if it were your guitar to get all that you can get out of it with the lowest action. And he's got his phone number and stuff on there, but I'm not going to give you that. I gave my phone number out one time in a video here on YouTube, and the phone became useless, man. I mean, wow. That ain't going to happen again. I wouldn't give anybody's number out here. It was crazy. I mean, I've had to change my number 2 or 3 times because it got out, and some of you guys still get it somehow. And I don't know how you're doing it, man, but still, people call me, want me to fix their guitars. So I just tell them, you screwed up, call me, because I don't do phones, man. I keep emails or PMs that logs everything that is said. Whatever we agree on or disagree on or whatever down the road, if there's anything said, say, go back to that. Look here, this is what you said you wanted. That's what I did. So I don't do phones. Anyways, I'll show that guitar to you under that light better now. The pick guard, you can see how bad the inlays wore off of it. Man, just a beautiful guitar though. There's that smudge I was talking about, right where the light's reflecting. When I move it, you can see it a little bit. But it's nothing, it just needs rubbed off. But there is something, it took a hit right there, if you can see that. Yeah, I believe you can see it there. Keep the light from reflecting on it. Just want to document that so everybody knows I didn't do it. Anyways, the neck angle seems to be good. It looks good and tight around the neck joint. This is always good. Let's see real quick what strings he's got on there right now. He said he liked medium gauge. I like a really heavy gauge. That's odd too, because I like to play electric guitar as lightly as I can set it up and touch it. And on an acoustic guitar I go really heavy. 12, the high E's are 12, the low E's are 54. So that's probably what he'd like me to put back on that guitar, and I'm sure I've got it set here somewhere. Thanks to you guys, I've got a lot of strings, man. I got a lot of strings. So anyways, I'm going to do a series of videos on this guitar here, and there'll be other things thrown in between this series. Probably start by, well, I'll have to order a pick guard. I don't even have material here to make one with right now. That pick guard, let me show you this. This pick guard doesn't really fit this guitar right. Look around the sound hole. I can't see the camera when I hold it up here. The pick guard is not cut around the sound hole evenly. I hope you can see that, because I can't see the camera right now at all. But it's, hopefully I can get one that will fit that better than that. And we'll get this one off. I see another little nick right there, right under the pick guard. Wee little tiny one. We'll have to heat that and pull it off of there, peel it off. Well, it's a little bit loose there on the end already, so that won't be too bad. Anyway, stay tuned. You're going to be seeing this guitar quite a lot, on and off in certain videos. Playlists. I'm going to make a playlist. That's what I'm trying to think of. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Well, look who come to see us, folks. She finally made the scene again. After I don't have to put that crap on my arms anymore, she comes around now and again. Tell the YouTube family, 8 pounds of glory of YouTube stealer. Say, what is it? We love you.